In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily copy and paste objects in place within your design software. Whether you're working on a single artboard or moving your objects to a different one, this technique ensures that your objects retain their exact positioning. So let's dive in and make sure you get this right every time. First things first, the starting point is to select the object or objects you want to duplicate. You can do this by clicking on the item directly with your mouse. If you're working with multiple objects, simply hold down the Shift key while clicking on each item. This enables you to select everything you need before readying the next steps. Now that you've got your selection, it's time to copy these objects. To do this, navigate to the Edit menu located at the top of your screen and find the Copy function. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl and C on a Windows computer or CMD and C on a Mac. This will copy your selected objects to the clipboard, ensuring they're ready to be duplicated elsewhere in your design. Next, it's time to decide where you want to paste these copied objects. This could be on the same artboard you're currently working on, or perhaps on a different one in your project. Simply navigate to your desired destination using your design software's interface. Once you've reached your destination, you can use the Paste in Place function. This is accessible via the Edit menu. What makes Paste in Place particularly useful is that it positions your objects exactly where they were in the original artboard. This precision is essential for maintaining consistent layouts and designs. It's like a seamless transition for your objects from one place to another. For those who enjoy using shortcuts for a more efficient workflow, there's a handy one for this step as well. On Windows, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and V simultaneously. On a Mac, the shortcut is CMD, Shift, and V. This performs the Paste in Place function quickly, maintaining the original coordinates of your objects without having to tweak their position manually afterward. The beauty of this technique is that it saves you time and ensures accuracy in your designs. You'll find it especially helpful when working with complex layouts or when dealing with multiple artboards. No more worrying about misalignment or skewed positioning of elements in your project. This method keeps everything neat and tidy, just as you intended. That's it for this instructional session. Now you know how to copy and paste objects onto the same or different artboards with precision. Make sure to practice this method to enhance your efficiency and accuracy during your design process. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!